What's up guys, Troy here. This is Jesus We Love You by Bethel. I had a request for this recently on YouTube comments, and it's kind of coincidental too because this is one of the first songs that I ever really connected with by Bethel, and so I didn't start with their Tide CD. The first time I had ever really listened to Bethel was the We Will Not Be Shaken record, and this song just really struck me, really connected with it. But I never tried it because I am a terrible slide player. I have issues with intonation. I'm not very good at muting technique. I can fake it at best. In fact, I actually made a video about how I play slide in a worship setting and what's kind of helped me fake it. So I guess the goal of this video is to help you see where the right notes are. Don't do as I do, but if you play slide well, you'll be able to see the essence of what I'm trying to accomplish here. But I just can't seem to nail the slide thing. I don't practice it that much because I just can't get it. I never seem to improve. But anyways, so this is my attempt at Jesus We Love You by Bethel. Using the Bethel 2 preset from the Strymon artist presets that you can get at guitarforhisglory.com/shop, and also one of the delay presets there as well from the Strymon timeline. And JHS Super Bowl is all over this one. I noticed listening to the tracks that when the slide track gets big, it's big, like speaker ripping big. So I just cranked up the Super Bowl and kind of went to town. Hopefully it's okay. So it might be embarrassing myself here, but Jesus We Love You by Bethel. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Chorus. Full band. Pre-chorus. Chorus. Repeat bridge. Bridge. All in.